Hi everyone, as a doctor, I know how struggling it can be when your child suffers from cough and cold. Apart from that, they also deal with burning sensation and irritation with the menthol and preservatives used in balm. For me, it is very important to choose right product for my baby, and here I came across Nasobuddy Cough and Cold Balm. Made with the essential oils of lavender, chamomile, dill, eucalyptus, etc. and free from harmful ingredients like artificial fragrances and camphor, this is perfect for my kids. Apply on chest, neck, forehead as often as necessary. For babies like 3+ months, massage the balm on the bottom of their feet for effective relief. Its non-greasy textures offer the comfort they need so they can get back to the feeling their best. When it comes to your child's health, trust the gentle care of Nasobuddy Cough and Cold Balm.